Hey there, I just wanted to introduce you to GitHub Gists. It's a quick and easy way to share notes and code snippets. So you don't have to create a full repository in your GitHub account to share code snippets and notes for them. Let's take a look at how it works. All you gotta do is add a Gist description, add the file name and extension, and add some code or notes. And we can go and we can create a secret Gist, one that we can only share within ourselves, within our own account, or we can create a public Gist. We'll go ahead and create a public one. But first, we're going to take a look to see that you can add a new file. So you can create multiple files at once. We're going to delete that file since we're not going to use it right now. But let's say we wanted to move our main function down to a new file. We could do that real easy, and we could just main this main.rs. Now let's create a public Gist. All right, now you can see our code is highlighted in the Rust sample code that we implemented so far, and we can leave a comment. We can also preview comments, and we can mark them up. It also keeps track of the revisions that we make for these Gists, and these Gists are used within other code generators and other libraries. So we could use the Rust playground and load this Gist in dynamically. Once we created our Gists, that we have the option up in the top right to embed, but we can also share, we can clone this via SSH or HTTPS, and we can share embedded on our website or blog with the script provided. We can also download a zip file of all the files in this Gist, just like a regular repository. We can also subscribe to notifications so that when this Gist changes, anybody that's subscribed will be notified. If we're using this Gist, we can edit and delete it, otherwise that function won't be available. We can also star this Gist if we're just visiting it so that we know that we can support the author. This is a quick and easy way to share code snippets and notes for students, professionals, and scholars.